Welcome to another Mindset Monday. Today we're going to be talking about good versus bad and how I believe neither exist. And it's just a matter of something that's effective versus ineffective. So when it comes to our healthy lifestyles and our performance, if we're unable to actually do something or we don't actually achieve exactly what we want to achieve, it's not a bad thing, it just doesn't work and it was ineffective. So it's now a topic of what do I need to do differently next time to improve on that? Or what structures or systems can I put in place to make sure that I actually accomplish what I said I was going to accomplish? Rather than get mad at ourselves or berate ourselves for not doing something or not doing it to the effectiveness that we wanted, we can take the heaviness out of the equation and just look at it more simply as that's what happened and what am I going to do next time? How can I move forward with it? I hope that helps take a little bit of the edge off of maybe not being as perfect as we want to be all the time and help us continually move forward and turning that needle.